The process of changing Netflix region or country is simple, if you know how. No matter where you are, I'll show you how to watch Netflix content from different countries. You can find a lot of great content on Netflix, but it is often restricted by the country you are in. In fact, you'll be able to view different shows and movies depending on your location. Netflix has a very limited library in some countries. You will find that, for instance, if you travel from the US to Georgia, you will have far fewer shows available and are unable to access your usual home streaming services. Therefore, many people will switch Netflix to a different region, such as the US, during a trip overseas to regain access to their home country's library. The easiest way to change Netflix region is to use a VPN. By using a VPN, you can tunnel your internet traffic through a server located in a country of your choice. Using it, you can mask your real IP address and replace it with one from the country of your choice, thus spoofing your location. As a result, you can access your usual home country's streaming services, even if you are away from home. Furthermore, VPNs also encrypt all of your traffic, making it impossible for anyone, including your internet service provider, to monitor your activity. Here's how to change your Netflix region from any location. It's essential to pick a high-quality VPN to successfully unblock multiple Netflix libraries across the globe, as not all VPNs are capable of doing it. Several VPN IP addresses have been blacklisted by Netflix. In this tutorial, I'm going to use NordVPN. It is the most reliable VPN for accessing other Netflix regions. First of all, download, install, and log into NordVPN from the link in the description below. Once this is done, connect to a VPN server in the country you wish to change your region to. For instance, if you wish to access Netflix US library, you will need an American VPN server. Head over to the server list. Pick a server to change your Netflix region. I want to watch the movie Invitation, which is only available on Netflix US, so I'm going to connect to a server in the US. Now that I'm connected, let's see if the VPN really works as it claims. Simply search the Invitation. The library will be visible as if I were in the United States, and the movie Invitation will appear as you can see. Not only do I have access to the movie Invitation, but I also have access to the entire American Netflix library. Now let's try finding the movie Aristocrats, which is only available on Netflix Japan. As you can see, I am unable to watch the movie Aristocrats on Netflix US. So, head over to the server list and pick a server in Japan. Now, simply refresh. As you can see, the movie Aristocrats is now available to watch. Now, this is how you change the Netflix region to watch content from any location. In the description below, you'll find an exciting discount link to NordVPN that will enable you to unblock all kinds of streaming services, including Hulu, HBO Max, Disney, and a whole lot of Netflix libraries. There is also a link to the NordVPN review in the description, where you can find out more about the privacy policy, specialty servers, streaming speed, and security features of NordVPN. Furthermore, NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied with NordVPN for whatever reason, you can cancel the subscription and get a refund. If you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll be happy to answer all of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.